Good morning, everybody. Look what we have. Water. And you can see the bottom. Let's test it. Yep, it's a little cold. The monkey's been asking to go in the pool all day, since 8 o'clock this morning. Now it's time. Are you ready?
It's hot.
Oh, I got these like, not last summer, but the summer before, I think.
Oh.
It all of a sudden got sunny.
Yep, off and on.
Looking like a pretty nice pool, huh? Are you ready?
Ready.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning.
How did you enjoy your first swim in your pool? Did you like it? What? Did you have fun? What? What are you saying? I don't know what you're saying.
It was the worst.
It was the worst? What are you talking about? We had fun, didn't we?
No, it didn't.
What? Well, maybe that's the last time I'll take you in the pool then.
Oh, it was fun. I was just joking.
That's what I thought.
I was just a joke.
Just a joke? Just joking? It's a pretty good joke. You're pretty cute.
Count
All
to
right, guys.
4.
Alexa is gonna sing you a song. Ready?
Ready.
Okay.
Wait. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high. Up above the world so high.
Like a diamond in the sky.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are.
Good job. You did great.
I farted.
You farted.
End the song.
Okay, I'll give you one more song.
Okay. Old pig, mermaid, mermaid, go away. Mermaid, mermaid, Ariel, go over to me and Dean and princesses too. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And birds come up and blah blue.
I don't think that's a real song.
You should do. I'm
Who are you inviting to your birthday party next weekend?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Abby.
Is Abby coming?
And I don't know who else is going to come.
Did you invite Owen?
Well, not yet.
Not yet.
I think so.
What about
No.
Summer? Is Summer gonna come?
I think so.
Yeah?
I didn't invite them yet.
You didn't invite them yet. What about Mom? Did Mom invite them?
I think I'm gonna invite some friends of mine.
Yeah? Who are your friends?
Well, I think Summer's gonna come. I
Good.
haven't invited her yet,
Okay.
but I might do it today.
Okay. Who else is your friend?
Owen's my friend.
Is Avery your friend too?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But one time, Abby and Avery knocked me right over.
They knocked you right over. I'm sure it was by accident though.
It was at the college last year.
Yeah, but I'm sure it was an accident. I don't think they meant to.
Well, I'm inviting everybody to my party.
Is everybody gonna wear costumes? Princess dresses?
Well, not all the boys.
Not all the boys?
Just the girls.
Oh, cool.
I'm gonna wear one, and you're gonna wear one.
What dress are you wearing?
My Rapunzel one.
Cool. I can't wait to see it.
I know, we bought lots of stuff for my party. Jewelry, candies, and cups, plates.
Awesome. It's going to be a really fun day, huh?
Necklaces for me, a necklace for me, crown.
Sounds like fun.
Everything, stuff like that.
Cool. Me and Alexa are going up to Nanny's, and she's in the full
Dress?
formal attire.
A dress, you mean?
Yes.
The bangs.
Princess Hair
Do you
Salon
want
over
the
here.
hair this way or this way?
At least one thing. It may be all
Princess
things, but
hair.
you can just have one thing and look at that and you can recognize stress.
How do I manage
Princess Hair Salon.
Hair salon.
Per se. We need to start gathering information
Do
about
you
our
want
body
this
and then
part
using that
down
information
or
as
up?
feedback on how we go forward. And so specifically,
Oh, no, the
there
back,
are
I
four
want it
domains
down.
which I discussed patients,
I
areas that
So I've been watching Alexa for the last couple of hours. My mom usually takes care of her during the week. Oops. But she had to go get her hair done, so I've been watching her. Sorry, I look a little rolled off right now. I didn't do my hair or my makeup today. So we spent a few hours, well, not a few hours, spent some time at the pool. We went to Nanny's, and now she is conked out on the couch. So I don't know what the heck all this noise in the background is, but it's really annoying. Good afternoon, guys. It is now the next day. I was working on filming some stuff, but it became far too hot and everyone else is taking a dip in the pool, so that's where I'm headed.
Right.
She comes.
Wow.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so cute.
Come on in.
Tell her what your shark name is.
Fifi.
Fifi.
That's changed in the last 30 seconds.
Her fart fish.
Cody's shark name is Fartfish, and I'm blah blah.
Yep.
You're so cute. Alexa, your mom's gonna watch the vlog, so you should say hi, Mom.
Okay. Hi, Mom.
Aww.
Say I love you.
Love you.
You're so cute.
Stop. I'm gonna do it myself.
Okay.
Oh my.
Majestic, isn't it?
Don't you find it weird, like getting used to the size this small?
Yeah, it's like
Come in.
I'm coming in.
it's like I'm swimming and I forget how shallow it is. I try to put my feet down. And it
I
looks
know.
hard.
I did that when I first got in, like with Alexa. I was like expecting. I thought I was on like the second last step, but I was actually on the ground, and I was like, oh.
We got it.
I'm coming in.
You can make a really good whirlpool.
Alright guys, I just finished filming a video for my main channel, which I haven't filmed for in like 3 weeks, so it feels good to have a main channel video filmed. Oh my gosh, it's like a million freaking degrees in here right now though. Guys, it's the next day and we're going to the beach, but we're stopping at Gina's, and look at our new little baby kitty. So what's up with her eyes?
Nothing. She just kind of takes a little bit to open one eye after she wakes up from a nap.
Oh.
She, I'm so bad. I'm so bad, but I'm so sweet. I'm 13 weeks old. She said, look, she's the most.
Since we can't have one kitty in the vlog and not the other.
Oh, I'm scared. Charlie. Don't do this. Don't do this.
Don't do this.
I just want to pat your head.
I never noticed he has like a white stripe all the way down his arms.
And he's got strong paws too. Like I can tell. Like
he's got strong.
when he smucked Emmy, I
paws.
bet you that hurt.
So there is a roll of paper towel in the car.
I wonder if Kate watches the vlogs. What you doing, kitty? Oh, bye. Oh. I got a
Half clean,
I swear to God, if I have two bottoms, we're gonna have problems. Every time I vlog
But
Tim
it's
Hortons.
so funny that it's 2 different kinds of bagels.
If you guys are regular watchers of the vlog, you've seen this happen before where Paige gets both tops and then I get both bottoms. But we didn't get the same kind of bagel this time. And she has a top of a...
But I did get in everything and you got a plain bagel.
So maybe we do have
you
to,
might.
I want to check your bagel right now.
We could just switch.
Yeah, that would be the smartest thing to do.
Or the hardest thing to do. It's already squished together. Nope, mine's all normal.
Oh, I guess somebody else got half and everything.
That's
bagel.
hilarious!
I don't mind.
Anyway, obviously we got some Tim Hortons.
I'm not gonna be able to make a left here.
I go ahead and spread my cream cheese. Very good. Look at it. There's none on that side. We've made it to the beach. It's busy as heck, and it's extremely windy. And I brought my watermelon umbrella that I was so excited about, but it's too freaking windy to even use. Oh, she's cold. She's a little cold. We just went in the water for a bit. Where's Cody? Oh, there he is. Cody's building a sandcastle back there. Paige is over here. Gene and Greg over there. It's literally like a sandstorm though because of how much like sand is flying. So windy. So windy, and my bangs keep going like this. Gina's pulling a Tyler over here with all the whatchamacallit there. Guys, look at the fog coming in. It's freaking windy. It's we had to leave the beach. You can see my pimple way too much right now because it got super foggy and scary and cold, and there's sand all over my face. That's all right. But now we are going to get some ice cream. Okay, Paige.
I don't want to ever grow back because I'd have to wear a beard now.
This is really close up on
It
me.
is. What's your favorite flavor of ice cream?
Possibly cotton candy, but I also feel like I don't enjoy it as much as I did when I was a small child. I don't know.
Cody? What's your favorite flavor of ice cream?
That's a hard question to ask.
It is, yeah. I feel like I never get tired of like Oreo, McFlurries, or Blizzard. So like that is just a classic.
Yeah, but like I'm talking about this kind of ice cream.
I don't know.
Gina?
Cotton candy's definitely up
Moon
there.
Mist is always a go.
Gina, what's yours?
and cotton candy are they're tied.
Greg?
Heavenly Hash.
Oh, that's a good one.
Grape Nut.
Grape nut?
That's
You're
my favorite.
kidding
That's
me.
different.
It's not ice cream.
That reminds me of like. Guess what me and Tyler are doing? We are at the movies. Well, we're outside of the movies. We're about to go inside, and we're watching Mamma Mia 2. Are you excited?
Yep. Mamma mia, mamma mia.
Mamma Mia, let me go. Not that Mamma Mia
I
though.
know. Okay, we ready?
Mamma Mia, here we go again. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
We got a remaining 100 points.
All right, guys. Wow, I'm like mega grease right now.
Mega grease.
Mega grease. It's about a 10.0 on the Richter scale. We just came out of the movie. What's your thoughts on it?
Pretty good.
I thought it was really good,
Good
actually.
music.
Yeah, it was good music. Good costumes.
Well,
I thought they were
that
pretty-
leather jacket was way too.
I meant their singing costumes when they sing.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I thought it was a really good movie.
Good homage.
Really good movie. Had some really sad parts though, I feel like.
Like most movies do.
Like most movies do. But it was really, really good. I would recommend to go see it if you're into
If you should have a
ABBA or if you like
Like ABBA.
musicals. You should probably go watch it.